Hi, I'm Naser. I'm a UFX artist and game developer. Today we are going to talk about the rain. More specifically, we are going to learn how to create rain effects on our character. We want to create those raindrops that side down the character's body and apply this effect to our own character. We are going to do this inside the rain project. The project is available on Fab, and you can find the link in the video description. So let's get started. Before we run the project, let's take a look at here. As you can see, we have many different samples. For example, we have these drop effects here, and we can apply this same effect to our character. So let's try applying this one to the character body. Now I'm going to run the project. As you can see, our character does not have the raindrop effect yet. Now let's stop the project and apply this effect to our character body. First, let's take a look at the sample. And if we open the material, we can see that there is a material function here. This function is after the main material setup. So we need to do the same thing for our character body. Now let's find the character's material in demo folder. Yeah, this is our character. And here. Now, this is our character material instance, but we need the main material from here. We can open that material instance is using. Yeah, this is. Now we can copy this function to our character material, and but before that we need to create a material attribute. So I search for make material attribute. We can use this node. Then we connect all this value to this node, so we can use it as a material attribute and connect it to here. So let's connect the color to color, and now we just need to enable use material attribute here. Then we connect the function output to the material attribute input. Now, as you can see, the raindrop effect is now applied to the material. And let's run the project and see the result. Click on apply, and as you can see, I think it looks like the raindrops are a little too big. So let's go back to the material. And here we can find the title section. I'm going to create a new parameter. I hold S on keyboard and click. Then I name it drop title. After and I connect to the title and click on apply. Now let's open the material instance and find the drop title. I set it to maybe 2, 3, 10, 100, maybe 50. Okay. And one more time, let's run the project. And as you can see, the raindrops are smaller. And that is for this tutorial. You can use the same method for any other object. Check out the different sample and see what you can create with them. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial, and goodbye.